Sing that the way you were singing it. When the roads illuminate, will you lament the paths you did not take? Or will you find the truth that we made?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shilpa. So as you can see on today's vlog, it's going to be a normal day in my life where it's a work day and it's raining outside. I wish I had off today, but we have lots to do at work. We have a lot of things to finish and it's going to be a hectic coming up like week. But yeah, so today we're gonna start. We do not have a lot of calls, but we do have a lot of work on the keyboard and the monitor and the mouse, to be absolutely honest. So I'll probably drinking a lot of tea, maybe a little bit of matcha and coffee, and we'll see that. People who've been working from home for a while know that if it's a rainy day, just be prepared to be really frustrated about the Wi-Fi for the entire day. It's gonna go on and off, and you will constantly have to switch from your mobile hotspot to Wi-Fi at all times. So that's the real struggle of the day. I'm done with my lunch and I'm thinking of going to shower. I've heard this is the most unhealthiest thing to do, like eat and then take a shower. But I mean, so it's almost 4 p.m. and I do have a lot of things to do, but I feel a little bit lazy. So I was thinking I'll get a cup of coffee, but then I realized I'm making matcha this week. I'm trying 7 different recipes of matcha, which you're gonna see in a series of a video in the coming weeks. But yeah, so I was thinking I'll probably make matcha latte. So let's see. I've seen the recipe. So let's see how it goes.
Gave you my doubts and I watched them go. Gave you my fears and we took them slow. Gave me your warmth when I was so cold.
I dropped matcha on my beautiful solid color pink pajamas. I'm dead. I'm dead. Hey, so hope you all like that video. This was something new that I'm sort of trying with few of my videos lately. So comment down below if you like this whole capturing the vibe of the weather, the place sort of a video, and I'd love to do more of these. I feel I love capturing a moment really well. So yeah, please make sure you comment and like my video and share it if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And until the next video, bye.